Today, I'll show you how to enable DRM or digital rights management content on the Google Chrome app so you can watch protected videos and streams right from your device. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome app on your Android or iOS device. Once you're in Chrome, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen and select Settings from the list. Next, scroll down to the Advanced section. Tap on Site Settings. Now, look for the Protected Content option. Protected content on my Google Chrome app is allowed. You need to select first option labeled Allowed. This will enable you to view DRM-protected content, like streaming services or premium media. Once enabled, you can enjoy seamless streaming of your favorite movies, TV shows, or exclusive content without interruptions. Keep in mind that some services may require additional app settings or subscriptions to access their content. Also, make sure your device supports DRM content, and if you're having trouble, try updating your phone's OS or check if your carrier has any restrictions on protected media. Once you've done that, restart your Google Chrome app for the changes to take effect. And that's it. Now, you'll be able to stream and enjoy DRM-protected content directly from Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.